Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. And the first one, when you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone, you can use gestures on your earbud, and at the back side of each earbud we have touch areas. With it you can play or pause the song, you can play next or previous track or the video, you can call voice assistant, you can enable or disable game mode, and you can also switch between ambient sound control, you can volume control, so it's a good one. And you can customize them. You can go to the EARFUN audio app, tap at your earbuds here, and right here we have customize. So you can, let's say, add to enable or disable game mode, because by default you cannot enable or disable it with a gesture, only in the application, but you can add it for the triple press or press and hold. But here we have game mode. And with the game mode, I don't recommend it to use this mode all the time, because with this mode you may have connection instability. So when you play games, okay, but then I recommend it to disable it. Next, you can improve your listening experience by changing Equalizer preset, and right here EARFUN offer for us a lot of presets. If we open presets, right here we have these presets. There is a lot of them. We can also scroll to the left, and right here we have free bass boost, so it's a good one. Also we have two all-off presets, so you can test them and use this one. Or you can create a custom preset, it's up to you. Next, these earbuds have ANC, what means active noise cancellation. So I prefer this mode, I use it all the time on my headphones. I recommend it to use it. Right here we have 4 presets or wind noise cancellation, so it's up to you, you can select this one. And right here we have 3 presets for each ear channel, so you need to test what will be the best one for you. The second one is okay for me, but maybe for you it will be the third or the first one. When you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds from your ears, you can enable transparency mode, and right here we have also 2 presets, a default one and fully transparent. Select the best one for you. I prefer fully transparent, but it's up to you. Also, these earbuds have dual connection. So you need to make sure that you enable this mode, and then you can connect second device simultaneously with your earbuds. But with this mode you may have also connection instability. So if you have some problem that your earbuds disconnected, maybe you need to disable this mode. And the next trick is only for Android users. So these earbuds support aptX codec. This one is a high-resolution audio codec, but to use it, your phone should support this codec also. And you cannot use it on your Apple device. As you can see, I have iOS, I have no options to enable it. Apple devices doesn't support high-resolution audio codecs like LDAC, aptX, LC3, LHDC. Now, if you lose your earbuds, you can easily find them using application. Right here we have find headphones, and you can play sound for it. So you just select your earbuds and then play a sound. Now, the last one. If you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily perform a factory reset. You just need to put your earbuds to the case. Right here inside the case we have cancel button. You need to press and hold it until the LED lights start flashing purple. If you still don't know how to perform a factory reset, you can check video at this channel, we have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!